Today we're unlocking the most underrated power features of Google Docs, the Tools menu. If you've been using Google Docs just for typing, what I can just say is that you're almost leveling up. Right at the top, you've got your menu bar. Click on Tools and boom, you'll see a whole lineup of features most people don't even touch. Now let's break down the fun one. First up, spelling and grammar. It's like having a mini editor inside your document. Now let me try typing "I love to eat apples." Here we go. I purposely messed that up, as you see. See that red underline. Google's like, hey, I know what you meant. Just right click and there you go, apples. Always double check suggestions. Google is smart but no creative writing smart. Next, word count. Whether you're writing essays, scripts or TikTok captions with limits, this is your best friend. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. One shortcut, boom, words, characters, pages, all of it. Nice. Now you can keep your writing clean and on target. This is a game changer. Voice typing. Perfect for speeding up your workflow and capturing new ideas before forgetting. Now let's head over to the tools, then voice typing, then the mic pops up. Now since we are into the mic session, Google Docs is amazing and I didn't even touch my keyboard. Look, that sounds amazing. Just imagine doing that for your interviews, notes or brainstorming with this. Do you need your document in another language? Google has got your back. Just go to Tools, then Translate Document. And now we shall see a Translate window popping up. Rename it, pick your language, and instantly done. Try it with a fun phrase and compare how perfect it is. And that's just the tool menu. Proofreading, counting words, talking instead of typing, translating your work, doing research without leaving your doc. Google Docs is literally a productivity machine. If you learned something today, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And share this video to someone who thinks Google Docs is just a typing app. And let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.